of the lower primary. And working my way around the other side. I'm going to continue to kind of form a little line that defines that lower wing. Off the rest of the body. There we go, just like so. I'm starting to define that now. I need to clean it up under there so that it looks like it slopes. So I've got a lot more you'll notice this top wing, I can add just a little bit of definition to it too by coming off to the point of this diamond. Like that. I started to define the slope out from under this lower primary. This is where you have to be real cautious and not try to dig in too much. I just go right on in here to where these two will be. Define that right there. There we go. And I'll clean that up. Adjusting the slope as we go. Go over here and work this side down as well. You see right up underneath here, I've got like a little nick right there. I need to get that out of there. Around with the tip. Flatten out the bottom of this. Just flattening out the bottom of the primary like that. And like I did on the other one, I'll define a little bit of the tip where the two cross over each other and come under. Like so. So what we've effectively got now is you can really see the stack of the how the two primaries are stacked on top of each other. Now we'll just continue cleaning this coverts down. We want a nice gentle slope out from under here. I think now that I've got that undercut the way it is, I can switch back to that round nose diamond again. We'll take this one off. Go back to the round nose one. It's a little bit more aggressive, and then I can clean some more of this off. And I've noticed as I'm doing this that this is a little thick in here. All bird's wings are not that thick. I'll come back with a diamond under here. Remember I told you that this is slanted slightly this way? Well, this one slants slightly too, so I'll have to go under there with one of these smaller diamonds to clean that out. But right now I'll just do it up to the point where it goes under the feather. That'll give us some working space under here to work on the top part of this covert. Sometimes it's a little awkward to try to get into some of these places, but you just work real slow and you can get it down to the point you need to. This side a little bit too as well. Making sure that I have everything symmetrical, which I do. Not to take out too much under there. Making sure that these blend into each other like they're supposed to. That's looking pretty good. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to switch back to that other diamond. And then clean it a little bit more. And define that, that sweep on this bottom feather here. By taking it down just a little bit. As I go, I clean the bottom part of the top primary out. Take a little on this top right here. I see as I was looking, I saw a little ridge right there I need to take out, clean that off. And clean this up right here. Now if I can take this down just a little bit. Add a little more definition to it. You'll look and see I still got a little bit more slope. It's too steep right here. I need to clean some of that out. Clean that up sweep right here. So I'll go ahead and do that right now. Blend it back up into the rest of the sides of the body. Clean that up. Same process on the other side. Up the ridges out of it. We'll do some sanding on this too to get some of this out. Right now, that's to establish what we've got is we got the coverts right there established already. Just need to clean this edge up right here. Okay, there we pretty much have them right there. Showing the undercut of the wing. This will all be taken care of when we go to start doing individual feathers, so all this will be taken care of. Alright, now it's time to do the bottom ones. They're going to kind of converge in here where the tail comes into play. So I'll switch to that safety and diamond so I can cut those out like I did before on the top side. Take the safety and diamond. The same thing. Go down to this line that indicates the bottom of the tail. So now we know where this tail where it converges. And this is where the tail goes into the body here, so we'll do the same thing. We'll just start cutting down to that line, keeping it straight down. What I'll do is I'll just come all around here and I'll come straight down from the center line, just make a sweep like that. Now I'll clean all this out down to these lines here and just repeat the same thing on the other side. Checking every time just to make sure I'm not gone past that line and I'm still there, which I'm not. Notice if you get this tail a little thinner, it's going to start making a singing noise as you carve it, so don't be alarmed, that's just the singing wood. Go. A little bit more right there. Now, as you can see, we've got that part done around, so what we'll do is we'll come around here and do the same to the other side. Okay, and then we'll cut that down until we meet the depth of the other one. Making it flat. Make sure that we come down to that line and have it gone past it. If you go past it a little bit, don't worry about it. We're going to carve a lot of that anyway. But you don't want to go too far because you want to be sure you have plenty of wood to stack all these tail feathers. Then just turn it around like this. It's making it flat all the way across. Just take off this last portion here. Like that. So now we've defined the top of the top coverts, the upper coverts, and then we've got the lower coverts. So we're going to now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch over to that round nose diamond again so I can dress all this down, clean it up.